Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Clumsy Cook channel. Today we are making something really good, so stay tuned. Let's start with two zucchinis, cut down the edges, and then you're gonna grate zucchini. Yeah, you're gonna grate them. There is no explanation about that. You'll grate two zucchinis. When you grate them, left on the side for 20-30 minutes. In the meantime, take mushrooms. I don't know, one handful of mushrooms. It will be enough. And then cut on the pieces. We're gonna use it for our pizza. Take the pan, put some olive oil on it or any oil that you like. Vegetable oil, coconut oil, any oil is good. And then drop down the mushrooms. And just wait to get lightly gold color. Not the brown color, not the white color, gold color we want. Okay, you did that. Now back on the first step. And now we're gonna dry zucchini. Take the towel, rag, or anything that you have. Put all zucchini in it, on it. And then dry it. Squeeze so hard. We want to squeeze all the water that's inside. Okay, you did that. Now go on the next step. Next step is to get that zucchini in one big bowl and then start to add flour, and you're gonna add parmesan cheese or any other is also good, but if you can keep it with parmigiano it's good. Now add spices, add salt, pepper, red pepper flakes if you have. If you don't have it, screw it. And you're gonna add 2 eggs one by one. Combine everything that with hand, spoon, anything that you have, it will be good, guys. Now take all of that in bowl on one plate or one baking sheet. I found circle. If you have square one, it's good. Put down all from the bowl on the plate on baking sheet. Spread over that. Now take that baking sheet, put in oven for 10 minutes on 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit, just to get lightly gold color around the edges. And now add toppings. I add mushrooms, sausage, olive oils, and of course the greatest of all time, cheese. Cheese, as I mentioned, you can go with any cheese that you have, so stay with any cheese. It's good, you can get wrong, it will be perfect. Okay, we did that. What else is left? It's left put in oven 5 to 8 minutes to heat up everything that we top on the pizza crust. Get outside, take a nice shot, put in our Instagram, follow me and subscribe, tag me on Instagram, you will get repost. See you guys, thank you so much. That's all.